Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel where I show you various tutorials from kids crafts to paper crafts down to DIY hacks or anything that I'll be encountering. And for today, as promised on my previous video, I'll be showing you how to set up your very own Christmas village paper craft using printable templates that can be found online. There are various templates that are for free on which you can download and print by your own. So I have this Snow Village paper model set from the website called Twinkle, and below they have labels of instructions on what kind of fold to do or to cut or paste. So it comes with different printouts of houses and church and even a Christmas tree. I'll go ahead and print it out now on a Vellum board 180 GSM. Okay, so now we have our printouts, and as you can see, I took out the labels and made the template bigger to maximize the space of paper so we can have a bigger house after. I first tried setting up this church and this is how it looks. Now I will show you the other houses. So first, let's cut out the outer line of all templates. After cutting, don't forget to sort everything by set as you don't want to end up mixing different parts of different houses. So let's get one set first and a ruler, and we are going to fold along the dotted lines with the ruler to have a straight crease. A while ago, I showed you the label of having a heel fold or a valley fold, which just means either you fold it upwards or downwards. And as for me, it really doesn't matter which fold you do as long as the crease is straight and sharp enough. And so, as we form the house, the fold will just follow the form instead. The numbers listed here is like a sequence on how to glue and connect the parts all together. What I like about this activity is the ability to form a 3D house out of a 2D printout. Once you cut out the pieces and try putting them all together, it's like forming a puzzle in the form of a 3D model. And I think for kids, this is one alternative for them to develop their motor and cognitive skills when setting up the houses. And what great joy you'll feel after being able to set up the entire Christmas village. Okay, so this is how it looks now for our first pattern. What do you guys think? Comment down below if this is something you like doing or if it interests you. Now let's head on to our second house. It's so easy, right? Just continue on along all printouts until you've finally set up your very own Christmas village. Do add on some fairy lights and a little bit of small elves or villagers to give off that hearty Christmas feels. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming DIY Christmas decors.